Hi, my name is Anjo Dennis. Today I am presenting an application of graph theory in operations research in the field of distributed systems. My topic focuses on how network flow models, especially the max flow min-cut theorem, can be used to optimize data replications and consistency across distributed data systems. In modern applications like cloud computing, data is stored in multiple locations. This process is called data replication. While replication improves availability, reliability, it introduces a major challenge: how fast and consistently the updates can be propagated across all servers. And the operation research is designed to solve optimization problems under constraints. In our case, the constraints are the network bandwidth limits, and the objective is to maximize data transfer speed. Hence, OR provides a structured and optimal solution. The network flow model represents systems where something flows, such as traffic, water, or data. Each connection has a limited capacity. This matches perfectly with data transfer in computer networks. And this diagram models a distributed replication system as a flow network. The source S represents the primary server where data originates. The sink T represents the final backup or consistency point. The intermediate nodes represents data centers such as New York, London, and Tokyo. Each arrow shows a network link with a fixed bandwidth capacity in Mbps, that is MB per second. And each edge has a capacity value which indicates the maximum data transfer rate. These capacities can act as a constraints in the OR model. Even if one link is fast, the overall system speed is limited by the weakest links. Here, the goal is to find the maximum flow from source to sink. This represents the highest possible rate at which updates can be replicated across all servers without exceeding any bandwidth limit. To compute the maximum flow, OR provides efficient algorithms like Edmonds, Karp, and Dinnick's algorithm. These algorithms systematically explore paths and push flow while respecting capacities. The minimum cut divides the graph into two parts such that the total capacity removed is minimum. This cut represents the bottleneck of the system. According to the maximum flow minimum cut theorem, this value equals the maximum achievable flow. Here in the above example, consider a multinational company with the data centers in New York, London, and Tokyo. When a transaction occurs in New York, it must reach London and Tokyo quickly to maintain consistency. By running the maximum flow analysis, the company can identify which link limits the performance. Instead of upgrading the entire network, they only upgrade the minimum cut link to save the cost and time. This operation research based approach ensures better system performance with minimal investment. It is scalable and suitable for modern cloud and enterprise systems. And this shows how a theoretical operations research concept like network flow can be applied to real world distributed systems using graphs. It bridges the gap between the mathematical modeling and practical system optimization. Hope you understand the concept of operations research in the field of distributed systems and how it can be represented using graphs. Hope you understand my topic. Thank you.